Hap for Hap Around the House. I just wanted to give you an idea how to quickly change the old grease gun grease. Now, this particular grease gun I think is an old Lincoln, and the first step you have to do, of course it's empty, you have to pull the spring out. And this one is tight, just like that. So you pull the spring out, relieve the tension. If you do not do this, you will be very unpleasantly surprised at how hard this will kick you in the crotch, because these things will shoot out of here like a rocket. So, you unscrew it, like so. There it is. Alright, we've got the old tube out. We're going to put the new tube in. So, you just pull the top off. This is just a cheap grade 2 grease. Pull the plastic top off. Put it in, like so. Then you pop the super little top off the back. So. And you should always have a towel when dealing with this stuff. It's disgustingly, well, it's grease. It gets everywhere. So, screw her back in. Now don't screw it all the way on, because you're going to have air up in here. So what you're going to want to do is leave it, I don't know, this is fairly tight right there. I just back it off maybe a turn and a half. And then you relieve your spring tension back here, just like that. Push it in. The hardest part is to bleed all of the air out of the top of your grease gun. And I've taken this little plug out before and let some of the air out, but basically all I do is put the head of it in the trash and pump the ever living crap out of it. You know, it'll take, you can feel the difference when it starts to come out. Right now I've got, this looks like it had number 2 grease in it. I'll show you what that looks like a second. Right here. Let's get you in the shot a little better, shall we? So basically, of course you've used a grease gun before, this isn't rocket science. But you can see the old, I don't know if that's lithium or number 2. But you squirt all the old stuff out. There you go. See the new stuff mixing in? Okay. We're pretty good. Now don't forget to tighten up your grease gun. And that's it. Oddly enough. Very simple, very easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider hitting the thumbs up button. That helps with the analytics to get our videos seen. And consider subscribing to our channel. This is Hap for Hap Around the House. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.